What's up with your family? Brother Lauren back in this thing, man. I'm back at it at Walker Rental and Hardware, and we back to get another mini excavator, round 2, and we doing it ourselves. And we got a bigger machine, so hopefully we can do a little bit more stuff and get a lot more done with moving this stuff around. So stay tuned, man. We're gonna carry you along on this journey of clearing our land. So we're getting that one right there. So that's the one we had last time, the little brown one. But now we're getting this one right here. We're gonna beef it up just a little bit. Woo! We get some work done today. Man, Bruce helping y'all.
Work since 6:30.
6:30. Ooh, but that's early though.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull this stuff out.
Look at that. Oh, y'all. Oh, yeah. Y'all come holler at Walker Rental Hardware. They got a few of them out here. Yeah. It's time to go to work, family. Fire right on up. Let's get it. Might should have brought my 250. Oh, we ain't got to do much. We'll sign these papers right. Ooh, damn. Got that thing back there. Ryan family, what's up? Yeah, we here, family. Look how big this trucker is. This ain't even a big one, but this motherfucker big. See, I need one with it's a little thumb that be going on here. I need that. So, oh yeah, look at that. Let's get it. Well, before I get to that point, just want to inspect. Boop, boop, boop. This is, so they got this. Yeah, they just got the, alright. So they got the whole chain going through it. See the tires, tracks, I meant to say. See a little rotted out. See, yeah, up and on. Everything up in there. Gotta make sure everything good for them. Right. Yeah. See, they got a few little holes. That might not mean nothing, but I don't know. My survey stick. These ain't as heavy as the other one was. Please don't abuse me. You ain't your average groupie. Oh, I gotta get up in this bitch. Oh, they got a hydraulic seat. What we gotta do? Boom, fam. I'm scared, man. This motherfucker big. It's on and popping, fam. Oh yeah, we about to get it in. What up? I don't know if you can see the fire from here. Waiting on my wife to get back with my other phone that's gonna allow me to record to my iPad, because it got space on it. My phone ain't got that much space, but that's what we got so far. We get this big stuff out the way. Well, get this little stuff so we can get to the big stuff.
G&B make this fire beat.
like this. Come over here and sit like this, where you kind of like parallel. Don't, well, I'll tell you what, try to go. Bring it over. Light that thing on up. These you can light close up. Oh yeah, like that sound. Okay, don't burn it in there. And we just trying to get rid of this first little hump. She doing a phenomenal job. Ooh, shit. I'm tired of the motherfucking family. I ain't gonna lie to you. Shit, she in that motherfucking machine all day. I'm pulling all these branches, all them branches. Look at that. Sound like the leaf try to get off on purpose. My wife want to take down these trees. I'm like, dang, babe, man, we have a little picnic or something back here. A little kickback under the shade, though. You know what I'm saying? But whatever wifey wants. They gonna stay up for right now. Our priority, right? Our main priority is this pile right here. We gotta clear that off in order for us to build right there. That's right where the house is gonna be. Maybe a little further back, but they gonna need that. They gonna need that space. We're working with the Kubota. Can't even see. KX71-3. And for the most part, it's making it do what it do. Even the big stumps, but we, we still want to be cautious and. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one, boo. Oh, that must have slipped off. I'm trying to get on it. Let's see what's good. All right, be careful. Yeah, we just want to make a mess. That way these trees, this brush, slash, all that'll be easy to manage. And we still got this pile, that pile. I don't know if you can see it. We still got that pile, and we got that pile. Just like that. Motherfucker fly. Look at me, fam. Look at me, fam. Hold on, I'm gonna put a stop. I don't even know. Can y'all see me? I don't know. I don't know if y'all can see me or not. I guess she ain't gonna let me get on the machine. You know. Let me keep the babies, you can handle the machine. Sounds like a fair deal. Oh man, I gotta tell you the story about yesterday morning. Man, yesterday I was out here and this is my property, right? So nobody should be coming on the property. Even animals. Goddamn. I'm just gonna have it a little clip on its own, but I gotta tell you about it first. So I'm out about to start the fire. Usually I'll pile everything up and I condense it. The next morning, it'd be out, but not completely out because the coals at the bottom still be hot. It's just the fire kind of smothered with the, the ashes and stuff. Because I like the little teepee style building up, right? But, I'm pretty much kind of parked where my wife's car is, and I get out to, you know what I'm saying, to kind of get the fire started for the day. And I just know I've been out here so many times, like, you know what I'm saying, I'm familiar with the sounds that go on during the day. From early morning to the sunset. I be out here. And man, these sounds that I heard, damn, I first you hear it, but once you keep on hearing it, this certain type of sound, not just any sound, this certain type of sound that's in the woods, and you know it's got hind legs walking, front and hind legs walking, and it sounded like it was coming towards my direction. Lord have mercy. Why they playing with me? So, you know, I was startled. So I look back and I just keep hearing it coming. So I'm like, I know it ain't no, we ain't got no wild hogs. I know we got some deers, but you know the deer is scary. Some motherfucking deer is scary. The slightest little sound they hear outside, what they usually hear, they gone. They ghost. Right? But I kept on hearing these sounds. And it was a few on, you know what I'm saying? And I'm like, man, I'm alert now, like trying to hear even clearer. I just stood still, trying to figure it out. Like, where the fuck is, what could it be? Asking all these dumbass questions to myself, like, is it a bear? Is it a deer? Is it a wild hog? Is it some coons in that motherfucker? And all of a sudden, oh, when I shot up out that thing, I got ghosts. I got up out of there. I went to my truck. First, I went to the truck first before I got scared off, right? I had my saw. So the motherfucker tried to get me, dude. They could have been some chopped up. They're gonna be chopped up salami. They're gonna be diced ham. Woo! They're gonna be diced up. I was gonna get them good. So I just gotta play the video. I just had to tell y'all that, man. But it ended up being, get that, bro. She trying to. It ended up being two motherfucking dogs. Two dogs, they're like they friendly dog. They came over here while I was there. I was like, yo, get y'all motherfucking ass back. I don't know y'all, y'all don't know me. Bitch, I'll cut you. I slice you from ear to ear. We beheading motherfuckers, goddamn. I'm scared for my life. I don't get it back. Let me see it. And they go off in the corner of the property. You know what I'm saying? Because you see how it is, like a little back part, right? The back side of the property. And then they come out where I'm at, right? They get to strutting around. Like, yo, man, what's up? I ain't never seen it. You did a good job on the property. Because it used to be wooded. Heavily wooded. Heavily wooded. And they came on out and went back into the woods. So I was over here. They came out that mall and came on out, and they went back in. I was like, man, thank God they weren't vicious. My wife talking about, oh, that's some friendly dogs. When they do that, they friendly. You know, they wasn't barking. They wasn't doing none of that. They friendly dogs. Shit. Oh, damn. They should have some manners. Don't approach humans. Don't approach strangers. I could have sworn I had a collar on or something, but there was two of them. So, you know what I'm saying? Two little asses. Look. Look. What's up? Got plenty of room for you to run around. Can't wait to get this cleared off. You back to work? You working? All right, help daddy and mommy out then. Thank you. What's she doing? Baby, we got about 30 more minutes. We gotta shut it down. We ain't got no power out here. And I'm not trying to. Make sure you have a pathway. Yeah, we're finna wrap this up, fam. I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. This is our journey. And I wanna give it to you stick by stick. You feel me? Like, you know, I wanna record every stick that I put up. But it's a lot of sticks up out here, fam. Sometimes you gotta get in, get it started. And you know, I'm messing with the camera and stuff. Sometimes I take a little minute. I can't just, you know, plug and go. I gotta set it up. I gotta find this tripod. I gotta find the mount. All that stuff, man. I'm like, man, what? I don't know what I'm be standing. But we're gonna make it happen, though. Yeah, them cicadas. I call them cicadas. I call them cicadas. They're cicadas in my face. So, yeah, we was out here early when was like, man, we put in work manually, you know, and it was like, I was like, man, babe, oh, we need we pretty much need like one more day. You know what I'm saying? This is around about 12 o'clock. I'm talking, kind of talking to her like, man, we need one more day. And I think we can tackle this. Cause we know how good we did the first time. So, what you need? What's up?
I need my cheese hot.
Ooh, what's up in there? What's in there?
Cheese.
Huh?
Cheese.
Got a little dirt on you, boy. On top. Ooh, got that Jew. That Jew gonna take care of you?
Yeah, it's gonna make me not hot.
Yeah, you around the heat. Kill it. You see it? Kill it. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. Start it back up. Uh-oh, mama getting into it. Let's see. All them gnats starting to come out. We ain't having no gnats all day. Nah, they ain't hunger mode.
I'm gonna take care of the mosquitoes.
Well, that's all good. Let's get ready to wrap it up, okay? Yeah. See the bottom? It's starting to fall apart a little bit. And once we get a little bit closer to the fire, it's gonna burn a little bit more. We good though. I usually come out here, check on everything, midnight, halfway through the night, make sure everything. You know. But we good, ain't, you know, it's dry. High and dry. Be careful now. Yeah, we can leave that right there, boo. We'll okay. Gotta get you some more gloves. Alright. So that's it, fam. We gonna check out. Like I was saying, we were talking about it. We decided we gonna get it. And I went down there and got it. I got it around about 2 o'clock. So we only got a few hours to work. What's that, about a good 5 hours? 4.5, 5 hours of work. You know, but we got till 2 o'clock tomorrow, so I'm gonna get out here early in the morning, top of the AM, around about 6 o'clock. Might be still dark, and I'm gonna come on out here and finish it up about 12, 1 o'clock, from 6 to 1. So we went from 2. I'm trying to call it off around about 7. It start getting dark. We ain't got no power out here, so you know what I'm saying? The freaks come out at nighttime. I believe it. And I don't want no part of that. So we'll come back out here. What's that? So let's say 2 to 7. That's 5. Come out here by 6 to 1. What's that? About another 7 miles. So we took about 13 hours. Yeah, we satisfied. We work with that. We work with that. See,
Let me see how fast I can work all the way over here.
All right, be careful. We got you. We gonna close the zone out. Look at it. You got that. We got. Woo! We're gonna put you in a 200-meter dance, boy. Baby. All right. Ooh. We're gonna put you in that 100. We're gonna put you in the 150 110 hurdles. We're gonna put you in that 200. Hey, we're gonna get some. Yeah, we're gonna get you on that 400 too. All the relays. Look at that. No stretching, just go. Huh? So that's it, man. We're gonna wrap it up, family. Yeah, that's beautiful right there. I'm gonna try to entice my wife to shut this on down because she's in the groove. She is on one. But I get it tomorrow, so that's how we gonna get it. I'm gonna let her do her thing. And we're gonna check in with y'all tomorrow, man. Alright? Peace. Do your genealogy. Find out who your people are. Find the land. Build. It's just as simple as that. Alright? Peace. Tell them peace.